Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I am in debt up to my eyeballs, but I do have an evil master plan to pay those off as soon as possible. Using this system has allowed me to pay off my Best Buy credit card almost 5 months sooner, so yay! I am gonna use rolled coins. This is the jar that I keep them in. I don't buy these. If you go to your bank, they should give them free because you're I guess they don't want you to take rolled coins. Just say like, hey, I need to deposit a whole bunch of coins. Is there any coins? Sleeves that you can give me so I can bring it back, or do you accept loose coins? No teller wants to sit there and count all that change. So they're gonna be like, yeah, okay. All right, so if they don't give it to you, they have to take it. You are a paying customer for your bank and they cannot deny your coins. But listen, if they give you a hard time too, I understand not everybody is pleasant. So almost every store that I walk into has a self-checkout. So I can take these rolled coins. I don't want to be carrying no loose change, but you will probably catch me otherwise. But I can take these rolled coins and just open these little things and put them in the slot. Target has self-checkout, Walmart has self-checkout, my grocery stores have self-checkout. So instead of, I can swap these bills out from my toiletries, pet food, my groceries, and just roll with the punches. But I do have $33.50 in this little container, and I'm still counting the loose change. Okay. Step number 2 is to use my $1 challenge. I already counted it and I have $52. The way that I got this money, every time that I would unstuff my money and I had a $1, I would put it in here. When I found it laying around my house, many of you know that have been following my journey. If you've not, go back and watch like my first 3 videos in October. I found like $10 just by going around my house and finding them. I found them when I was going to the bank and getting some change to withdraw. As soon as I opened my console in the middle, I found $3 more. So you'll be surprised how much money has been hiding from you, or you've been squirreling away that you don't keep track of. Okay, moving on. Number 3, number 3, the third way that I have been able to pay my card sooner is to use rollover money from my stuffing. This is my envelope. This is what I named it because this is exactly for what I pay when I have to find out that I don't have enough money to cover an overdraft or things like that. This is my little mini buffer. It's not an emergency. It's just an inconvenience and annoyance. And it's like, really? Okay. So far I have $175 in this one. Another way that I have to pay for my Best Buy card is using my HOA. I don't have the physical money, but before I started this channel, I do have automatic transfers that include HOA in there. I was able to save, or every year I save about $500 because sometimes it's a bit more, sometimes it's a bit less, but this year it was $415. But with they do charge you to use card, so I have $80 left over from that, and I do have a scheduled payment of $117. My Best Buy credit card when I first started tracking my journey before I decided to do my channel was July 2nd. I do use YNAB. I've been a YNAB user for about 5 years. I wasn't always consistent. I stopped doing it because I'm not sure if you're aware, but I am a new graduate. I graduated with my bachelor's over the summer. So I've been working almost 5 months. I have been a night shift, which is my first nighttime employment, and I just came off out of my third shift overnight. So I am here now telling you about how I'm gonna pay off my Best Buy credit card. So my original balance was from the 23rd 06. I'm sorry. Okay, for July 2nd, I tracked that my starting balance was $2,306.92, and this morning when I checked it, what I owe is $399.51. It's gonna put me a little bit over what I owe, but that's okay because I'm gonna just keep rolling. I probably just save. Take less from this my buffer, my roll over unstuffing money envelope, which is this one. This is for my minor pay period to pay period, Thursday to Thursday, inconveniences, annoyances, grievances, of personal finance. And so my suggestions to you is to use number one, rollover money, because we are pulling money and it's not always exact what we use. Sometimes we use less money. And so just keep that money. You don't have to spend it. You can either roll it over in the same envelope, which my 5 categories are gas, groceries, toiletries, pets, and spending money, I believe. Using the $1 challenges, which is this. I'm gonna save it 1/4 of a time. So hopefully the next time that I unstuff this will be by March. Number 3, using your coins. You know, just use your coins. It's money. I think at one point during the pandemic, I had almost $500 in coins because I never really respected physical money. Okay, and number 4 that I plan on paying off $10,000 this year is pausing my automatic long-term savings. I was saving $300 a check, which equals out to almost $78,000 a year. So hopefully I can look at that number, which is going to be very easy, sort of speaking, easy. I might up it to like saving 15K, if not 20K. We'll see, but not actually saving, but paying off my debt. And that brings me to this. I have this in my journal. I made this. I don't know why this is upside down, but this is if you want to save $5,050 with that $100 envelope challenge. This is the one that I was going to focus on to pay $10,000, but it's not really going to be a challenge if I'm already saving $7,800. This is just this is to save $20,000. So I think I might use the combination of this one and just highlight it as I go in, because I did look on Etsy and nobody was really doing like a debt payment, but everybody was doing a saving challenge, and I want to use this for debt. And then using this little starter kit that I got from the Abundant Budget on Etsy, and this is for my abundance. For example, if this one, if I don't use it, I might start using this too to stuff this. I want to get 1 month ahead too. And so I think, now that I think about it, I might have to discuss it with husband if we should use this money every quarter, just put it into this and get 1 month ahead on bills. This is my husband's money. If he wants to start saving money too, we can put it in here. But this is just his spending money for the week. I have not seen him, so that's why it's there. So this is so here it says 100 envelope challenge. So I did get one for 26 weeks, 52 weeks, and 50 envelopes and 100 envelopes. And she gave me this free tracker. But obviously I don't want to have this money in here, because otherwise it's going to just accrue. It's going to grow interest. So I did order placeholders for when I feel anxious or unsure of what I'm doing. And that's going to have me like, because I like to touch things. So that's going to help me track and be like, no, this is what you've been saving. You're on track. You're doing great. Stop getting off your head, out of your head. Stop. No negativity this 2023. I think for the tracking my payments, I'm going to use the 52 weeks because it's going to be for the whole year, even though this says $100 envelope challenge. I might have to find another printable online. I did find this one online and just made it my own. To align with the 52-week payment or 52-week budget by paycheck, that plan that I have going on right now. But we'll see. I'll update you as soon as what I plan to do. And about husband/sneaky link. I need to seriously make a poll. I'm gonna add a poll. It's gonna be up for the whole year. So if you wanna vote if I should call my husband a husband or my sneaky link, let me know. And we might have to change his little container here, or his little envelope here, to husband or sneaky link. So thank you for watching. Of course, this would not be possible unless you follow my journey. You are part of my journey, cheering me on, leaving your comments, subscribing, and sharing my channel. Subscribing and sharing my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love being part of your journey as well. So if you are on the whatever personal financial journey that you are on, and you have a channel, let me know, and I can subscribe to your channel, leave comments, cheer you, and follow your channel, your journey. I love having this community. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.